Hello everyone, welcome back to HVAC official channel. In today's video, we are going to learn everything you need to know about HVAC systems. If you are a beginner, student, or even a homeowner, this video will help you clearly understand how HVAC systems work, their types, and how to maintain them properly. So let's start from the basics. What is an HVAC system? HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. An HVAC system is an all-in-one system that is used to control the indoor environment of a building. It helps maintain a comfortable temperature, proper airflow, and clean air quality. Almost every modern home, office, shopping mall, and building uses an HVAC system. These systems are especially important in areas where temperatures change a lot during the year, such as very hot summers or very cold winters. In simple words, an HVAC system keeps you cool in summer, warm in winter, and provides fresh air all the time. Main types of HVAC systems. HVAC systems are mainly divided into two categories: residential HVAC systems, commercial HVAC systems. Let's understand both in detail. Residential HVAC systems. Residential HVAC systems are used in homes and small buildings. Central split system. This is one of the most common systems used in houses. It uses one central unit to control the temperature of the entire home. All rooms receive the same cooling or heating through ducts. This system provides uniform comfort, but installation can be expensive because ductwork is required. You can also add smart thermostats to control temperature easily. Ductless split system. This is the most popular system in many countries. It is used to cool or heat a single room or a specific area. The indoor unit is mounted on the wall, while the outdoor unit contains the compressor and condenser. This system is easy to install and does not require ductwork, making it cost-effective and efficient. Package unit. A package unit is a combination system where all components are placed in a single unit. It can cool a larger area compared to a ductless system, but is smaller than a central system. These units can be installed indoors or outdoors and are easier to maintain. Window-type HVAC system. This system is used for small rooms. All components like compressor and cooling coil are inside one box. It is easy to install and affordable, but it is less powerful compared to split systems. Commercial HVAC systems. Commercial HVAC systems are used in large buildings like offices, malls, hotels, and restaurants. Single split system. This system is used in small commercial spaces, such as shops or small offices. It works like a residential split system, but can include ductwork for better air distribution. Multi-split system. In this system, multiple indoor units are connected to one outdoor unit. It is perfect for buildings with many rooms because each room can have its own temperature control. It is also more affordable than central systems. Packaged terminal air conditioner, PTAC. This system is commonly used in hotels. Each room has its own unit, so guests can control their own temperature. It is larger than a window AC and more powerful. Variable refrigerant flow, VRF. System. VRF is an advanced HVAC system used in large commercial spaces. It can cool and heat multiple areas at the same time. It is highly energy efficient because it controls the flow of refrigerant based on demand. Combination HVAC system. Large buildings often use a combination of different HVAC systems. They may also use industrial fans to improve airflow. This helps in saving energy and improving performance. How HVAC systems improve air quality. One of the most important parts of HVAC is ventilation. Ventilation helps bring fresh air into the building and remove dirty air. A good HVAC system can remove dust and harmful particles, reduce bacteria in the air, control humidity levels, prevent mold growth. This creates a healthy and comfortable indoor environment. Importance of HVAC maintenance. Even the best HVAC system will not work properly if it is not maintained. Regular maintenance is very important to ensure good performance, long life of the system, clean and healthy air. Regular inspection. HVAC systems should be checked regularly to make sure everything is working correctly. Inspection helps identify problems early before they become serious. Cleaning and filter replacement. Air filters should be cleaned or replaced regularly. Dirty filters reduce airflow and affect cooling performance. Preventive maintenance. Routine maintenance helps avoid common issues such as low cooling, high electricity bills, system breakdown. What happens without maintenance? If you ignore maintenance, air quality becomes poor. System efficiency decreases. Energy bills increase. Parts can get damaged. That is why maintenance is not optional. It is necessary. Final summary. Let's quickly revise what we learned. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. It controls temperature, airflow, and air quality. There are two main types: residential systems for homes, commercial systems for large buildings. Different systems include split AC, ductless systems, central systems, VRF systems. Proper maintenance is very important for performance and long life. Final words. HVAC systems play a very important role in our daily life. They provide comfort, clean air, and a healthy environment. Understanding HVAC systems is very important if you want to become a professional technician or make smart decisions as a homeowner. Thank you for watching HVAC Official Channel. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more HVAC learning videos.